everyone, this is Sulakshana, your English assistant, and today we are going to learn adverbs. As it is clear from the name itself, adding something to the meaning of the verb. Children, adverbs always describes the verbs. Words which describe verbs are called adverbs. But do you know adverbs sometimes describes an adjective and sometimes it describes adverbs itself. Let's see the example. I will tell you through the example. Number one example where the adverb is describing the verb here. Sia walked speedily. How did Sia walk? Sia walked speedily. Here walk is the verb and speedily is the word which is describing the verb. So it is an adverb. Number two, Priya's dress is extremely beautiful. Now can you see the underlined word extremely? It is describing the word beautiful, which is an adjective. And we'll see the number three example. She will do the work very carefully. Here carefully is an adverb, but very is the word, again is an adverb and describing the adverb itself. Now we will see how many types of adverbs are there. Let's focus on the first type of adverb. Hi, I am adverb of manner and I tell you how an action is done. It is clearly visible from this example that they show that how the work has been done. Now see example number one. She silently entered the room. If we question how did she enter the room, the answer will be this. She silently entered the room. This is showing the manner. How did she enter the room? So silently is an adverb of manner. See second example. Nandita danced gracefully. Can you see the underlined word? Gracefully. How did Nandita dance? Gracefully. Gracefully is the word which is telling us how did Nandita dance. So it is showing manner again. So these are the example of adverb of manner. Moving to the next. Hi, I am an adverb of place and I tell you where an action is done. So if we have to know about the place adverb, we have to question in where. See the example. He looked around. Looked where? Around. If you question in where, you will always get the answer of the adverb of place. See the next example. God is everywhere. Is where? Everywhere. Again we are getting the answer of where and we are finding the answer everywhere. So everywhere is the word which shows that it is an adverb of place. Moving to the next one. Hi, I am an adverb of time and I tell you when an action is done. When we question in when, we will get the answer of when. Just focus on the example. I will complete my project tomorrow. When? Tomorrow. So here tomorrow is the word which is telling us about time. So here it is an adverb of time. See the next example. Yesterday we went for a picnic. Went when? Yesterday. Yesterday is giving the answer of when. So it is an example of time adverb. Moving to the next adverb. Hi, I am an adverb of frequency and I tell you how often an action is done. Frequency tells us about that how many times is the action has been performed. See the example number one. I always pray to God. How often I pray to God? Always. How often? we have to question in how often, and we'll get the answer of always. So always is the example of frequency, and it shows that it is the adverb of frequency. Next example, he has called you twice. How often or how many times? Twice. So it is an example of adverb of frequency. Now this example, hi, I am an adverb of degree and I tell you how much an action is done. It shows the intensity of an action, that at to what level or at to what extent the action has been done. Now see the example. She is fully prepared for the exam. How much prepared? And we can ask, or to what level or to what extent has she prepared? So we can say fully prepared. Fully is the word which is showing the degree. So it is an adverb of degree. And the last example is, it was extremely hot yesterday. How much hot? Or to what extent is hot? So we can answer in, it was extremely hot. It was extremely hot, very hot. So we are getting the answer of how much, and it is showing, the word extremely is showing the degree here. So this is the way we learn adverbs. I hope you must have enjoyed the session. Thank you.